Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to tell you the tricks to learn the examples, or you can say the economic importance examples of all the floral families. So first I'll be telling you all the tricks to learn the examples of Fabaceae family, then Solanaceae and then Liliaceae. So as you might know that these are the sources of Fabaceae. So first one is sources of pulses, that is gram, arhar, same, moong and soya bean. Next is edible oil, soybean and groundnut, dye, indigofera, fibers, sun hemp, fodder, sesbania, trifolium, ornamentals, lupin and sweet pea, and medicine mulethi. So generally we are very much it's very difficult to learn these examples specifically for Fabaceae different, then Solanaceae and then Liliaceae. So simple trick to learn the examples of this are: set your small cis to the ground. So if you have small cis, you can easily learn this one. So that is set. Set में S stands for sesbania, T stands for trifolium. Now next, your is only for completing the sentence. And next, in small S stands for sweet pea, in then M stands for mulethi, and L, single L, it stands for lupin. Then in cis, S stands for soya bean, I stands for indigofera, and next S stands for sun hemp, or you can just reverse them out. Then to the ground. Now to the is only for completing the sentence and ground is for groundnut. So set your small cis to the ground, that is sesbania, trifolium, sweet pea, mulethi, lupin, then soya bean, indigofera, sun hemp and groundnut. So these were all the examples of Fabaceae family which you learnt by the set your small cis to the ground. Okay. Rest which are left are gram, arhar, same and moong. So generally these are all the pulses which are found in the household also. So you just have to understand this, that these all dals or the pulses are of Fabaceae family. Okay. Then next we'll study of Solanaceae. So now for Solanaceae family we have all the sources of food as tomato, brinjal, potato, spice as chili, medicine as belladonna and ashwagandha, and fumigatory economic importance has tobacco, and ornamentals as petunia. So here also, now tomato, brinjal, potato and chili, these are very common in the household. So now when I told that gram, arhar, same, moong are the pulses, so these are all the pulses which are found in the Fabaceae family, while tomato, brinjal, potato, chili, these are all the edible things which are different from pulses. So all the other edible things different from pulses are found in Solanaceae family. So next we have medicine. Then what is left is belladonna, ashwagandha, tobacco and petunia. So this can be learnt by the trick bash at the top. So generally it's party bash at the terrace, but we'll learn it by bash at the top. Top means terrace. So here bash may be, A stands for belladonna, then B stands for belladonna and ash stands for ashwagandha, and top में tobacco stands TO stands for tobacco and P stands for petunia. So these all can be learned by generally all the edible things other than dal is found in Solanaceae family, and rest which are left in Solanaceae family is can be learned by bash at the top. Top means terrace, B stands for belladonna, ash stands for ashwagandha, TO stands for tobacco and P stands for petunia. Okay. Then these are the economic importance of Liliaceae family, which are ornamentals, tulip and gloriosa. Source of medicine is aloe, that is aloe vera. Vegetables are asparagus, and dye is colchicine, which has scientific name Colchicum autumnale. So this can be learnt by AC tag. So generally all the things which we buy have a price tag on it. So we can learn it by remove the AC tag. Okay, so remove the, I have not written here, but you can learn it that way, that remove the AC tag. So A stands for asparagus, C stands for colchicine, and in tag T stands for tulip, A stands for aloe vera and G stands for gloriosa. Once again, these are, first of all, these are all the examples of Liliaceae family. Then we learn it by the trick: remove the AC tag, where A stands for asparagus, C stands for colchicine, T stands for tulip, A stands for aloe vera, and G stands for gloriosa. Okay, so these were all the different tricks to learn the examples of all the families: Fabaceae family, Solanaceae, and Liliaceae family. So if this trick was useful to you, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.